Hi there! In this video, I will show you how best to drink Acacia gum arabic first thing in the morning. This is a great habit to maintain because it's the fastest natural way to get those prebiotics into your intestines and colon. You will need a completely dry empty cup and another cup full of warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of HASHAB prebiotic to the completely dry cup. Add warm water to the cup as you stir with a spoon, so it will dissolve better. Mix this as quickly as possible. As you can see, this is very pure and clean Acacia gum arabic powder that is almost tasteless and almost odorless. This gum is made up of almost 85% prebiotic glycoproteins, polysaccharides, and arabinogalactan oligosaccharides, which are amazing for your gut health. And the powder is 100% natural with no chemicals at all. Enjoy!